Hi everyone. Today we are going to make a vegetable and egg fried rice. That is vegetable in sense we are taking only the cabbage and the capsicum. So the ingredients needed are four different colors of capsicum we can take: red, orange, green, and yellow, and 4 eggs, and 1.5 cup of cabbage, and spring onions, three green chilies, and green chili sauce, soy sauce, tomato ketchup, Ajinomoto. That is, we can take a half spoon of Ajinomoto and 1 spoon of pepper and little bit of oil. And we have to take 2 cups of basmati rice. And for 2 cups of rice, we have to add 4 cups of water. So along with this, we have to add the soy sauce, 1 spoon of soy sauce, and 1 spoon of oil, 1 to 1.5 spoon of oil, and 1 spoon of salt into it. We have to mix it up. Now we are going to keep this in the rice cooker. So now we are going to sort the remaining vegetables on the egg. So we have to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan, and now we have to add the capsicums. So 4 types of capsicum we are going to add. So we are not going to add the onions. So instead of that, we are going to add only the cabbage. And spring onion. So onion is not necessary in this. We have to sort until it should get tender. Now we are going to add the remaining thing, that is green chili, spring onions, and cabbage. Now the vegetables is cooked now. So now we have to make a dent in the center, and we have to put all the eggs in the center. So we have to add a little bit of salt into it. And now we have to add the pepper. I added around 1 tablespoon of pepper. So let it cook for 5 more minutes. So still the egg is cooking. Now we have to add just little bit of Ajinomoto. That is, you can add half spoon, and little bit of soy sauce, because we already added the soy sauce. So just we have to add a little bit of soy sauce, and if you want a green chili sauce, then you can add green chili, otherwise no need. And then you have to add the tomato sauce. So the sauce are optional. If you don't want any of the sauce, then you just skip it. So the egg got cooked. So now we can add the basmati rice. So we have to stir the white rice, and finally it will be like this. So if the tomato sauce is too less, then you can add some tomato sauce later. So I add a little bit of tomato sauce. So the color will be like this. The fried rice is done now. See, it looks very yummy and very tasty. Try this recipe and just give me the comment. Thank you. Bye bye.